Yo, what's going on, guys? Ty.funded. Yo. What's going on, guys? Ty.funded. Back with another trade recap. I know it's been a while. Markets have been dog shit recently. They've been so bad. So bad. Now, I know a lot of you guys have been having problems finding trades. An important thing I just want to touch before we get into the recap: don't force a trade. I've barely been able to find a good enough trade that's willing, that's like worthy of being posted on this channel. Let's get right into it. Now, just a little overview of yesterday's market. Just a little overview. Because of all the tariffs and just overall Trump going on stage talking, fucking up a lot of things, the markets have been really bad recently. Especially because of tariffs, everything here was just down. People were expecting a recession. Shit's just bad, right? But slowly coming back. It's just opportunity to buy up certain shit like crypto. Cryptocurrency is down right now. Solana's down. Bitcoin is down. But yeah, so yesterday's price action was really weird. We got this big of a push in a 15-minute candle. We got 363 ticks in one candle, and then we just had diarrhea. Market just had diarrhea the rest of the day and just completely shit the bed. Now today, wasn't even thinking about taking a trade today, but might as well if I find the opportunity. So you already know, going into today, I gotta de-risk. I gotta de-risk and just not trade on every single account, just because of how markets have been. So coming into today, mark out London session at 12 a.m. right here. Mark out London highs right here at 1:30. Mark out London lows. Now, London session, we had bearish sentiment most of London session up until we reached here and we created our London low. Now, what happened was we continued bullish at 4:15. Now, if we didn't do that, I would have been bullish today, but the bullish move already happened. So I'm expecting to see we continue as bearish. Now, what do I want to look for? I want to look for some liquidity. Now we go on our 1 hour time frame to continue to solidify our bias today. We have this 1 hour equal high right here. Going on the 15-minute. Yeah, we got 3 highs and then we got London high. That's 4 highs right there. So with all of that now, I'm like, okay, I want to see price draw towards this liquidity and we continue to go down. Now we open at 7 a.m. We open at this candle right here. Now my next move, I've gotten my bias. I'm bearish today. I've got my liquidity, my higher time frame liquidity, in line with the lower time frames. Now I want to find an imbalance. I'm looking to see if I see any good bearish for value gaps. Not really seeing nothing in the area that I'd want to see it. So kind of just look a little harder and I see this tiny bearish fair value gap right here. Now, as you guys know, the size of the imbalance doesn't matter because price needs it. I've covered that in many videos. If you know, you know. So I got this 15-minute bearish fair value gap. Now I want to see, go on the 5 minutes, see if I can find anything. I see this 5-minute bullish fair value gap right here. I'm going to put this in yellow so it's a lot clearer. See this, let me not do that. 5-minute bullish fair value gap. So now I'm expecting to see price draw within this and continue lower, and that's exactly what happened. But I still wanted to continue looking for more imbalances, and I find this 15-minute bullish fair value gap down here. Now, what do we know about no news Mondays and no news days overall? Is price and volume is going to be a lot less. There's going to be a lot less volume and a lot more consolidation. This whole area of consolidation for like an hour or more. So go back down on the 5-minute now. I am saying I want to see price reject this bullish fair value gap, and we did exactly that. But what I realized is all of the liquidity that I spotted earlier a while ago. There are 3 15-minute highs and this high right here as well. 2 1 hour equal highs. Now, what I figured was going to happen is the same thing. We're going to reject that 5-minute bullish fair value gap, respect the 15-minute bearish fair value gap, come down into this bullish fair value gap, and then we do the manipulation. That's exactly what happened. That's what comes with market experience, man. So I saw this before it happened, and I said, okay, I'm going to wait until we sweep those 15-minute highs and we at least get to London high. Now, we swept the 15-minute highs, as you can see. Same 1 hour equal high, we swept that too. We didn't sweep London high, but I just wanted to see us come up to London high. Now, that's exactly what happened. Came up to London high. We didn't invalidate the 15-minute bearish fair value gap. Probably wanted ty.funded. What happened? Did we invalidate the fair value gap? No. No, we did not, Johnny. Because why? 730 candle right here. That's when we got all of the manipulation. That's when we got the move up. As soon as that candle closed at 745 and the new candle opened, we got the move down. So manipulation. Now, I entered for shorts right here. Once I saw this was a full bullish candle. And it started reversing this a little bit right before 740 because I know when this 5-minute candle opens, we're going to get a good move down. So I entered right there. And I had a pretty tight stop loss, if I do say so, to be fair. I did have a pretty tight stop loss. Entered right about right there. Pretty tight stop loss, just a little bit above the highs. Because, you know, forex got a spread. Now, my take profit. I was looking to see a take profit. London lows, a little bit too much, to be honest. Knowing what new news days have to offer, I was thinking about putting it here, but I ended up looking and I see we have a 15-minute low right here. And across those lows, we have the wicks of these other lows. So I decided to put my take profit at that low. Now, I got a nasty risk to reward ratio, but what happened? I entered at 7:40 a.m. Entered right about here at that time when the candle just opened, and we got a really good move down. So once we came back into this area, I was already expecting to get, we're not gonna push past it just yet. We're gonna go back into those same imbalances we had from earlier, and maybe sweep that 1 hour high, which I have marked right here. So I'm like, okay, no problem, no worries. Just gotta be patient and wait for the trade to play out. Once I saw that happen, I'm like, boom, we're good to go now. We're gonna get to the TP in no time. What happened? We did that and then we went right back up. I'm like, okay. Just doing it a second time, you know. I don't like being in the trade too long, knowing the conditions of the market right now. I'm like, all right, you know what? Once we get back to the same imbalance, I'm gonna just exit the trade completely. Went back down, went all the way back up. Same thing right here, this fat ass doji candle. And then we got the big Drake candle right here. Now I exited right there. As soon as that candle closed, I exited. I was not trying to fuck around and find out, bro. Because I de-risked and I'm seeing all of this consolidation. Who knows? The market could just completely flip. I don't fucking know. All of this is just just technical analysis, really and truly, and just following my plans. So that's exactly what I did, following my trading plan. Now, as you can see, what happened, we did get that push, and it would have hit my full take profit. But important thing is we still walked away with $530. I'll pop it up right here so y'all can see it. Still walked away with that money. Still took a winning trade. Found an actual trade. Didn't force this trade at all. And I followed my rules. That's the important shit right there. Those three things right there is the importance of today. Yesterday was really weird, as I showed you guys in the video earlier. These moves were just uncatchable. I was actually in for longs yesterday, and this would have hit my full take profit, but I couldn't catch it, bro. I couldn't catch it because I was expecting a move, and it just moved. You know what I'm saying? And then we just had diarrhea all day. Same thing on NQ. I don't really know anybody that could have caught a trade yesterday, to be fair, with this kind of shit right here. Like, come on. What fuck is this? This is some massive ass candles, bro. Anyways, So I'm just grateful I got a decent trade today. Still got tomorrow. Only got news at 1 p.m. So market should be good tomorrow, given that no bullshit happens. And with all of that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed today's trade recap. I hope you guys caught something. I hope you guys do catch something soon, because I would hate to be learning day trading in a time like this, bro. I genuinely would hate it because of how bad the market has been. I can't imagine trying to learn how to trade when the fucking charts look like this. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I'll see y'all in the next ty.funded trade recap.
Mama hit my phone and said rap's no good. Better than telling me the check's no good.